हेलो एवरीवन, यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि सुरभि को क्या हुआ है, दिस लुकिंग ऑड, बट येस, अगर आपने टाइटल पढ़ा है तो डोंट जज मी. सो आई हैव डन एन एक्सपेरिमेंट टुडे इन द आई एम यूज दिस लॉकडाउन पीरियड टू द फुलेस्ट. सो मैंने आज एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है. मैंने एक साइड एक ग्लैम लुक रेडी की है और एक साइड एक डे सिंपल लुक रेडी की है. लाइक मैंने ये लुक रेडी की है. आई होप यू लाइक दिस एंड यू लाइक सो इन वन वीडियो आई हैव शोड यू टू डिफरेंट मेकअप्स. आई नो थोड़ा वीडियो लॉन्ग होगा बट डू आई होप you'll enjoy it. And just for your information, I have cut my nails, so I'm following the lockdown rules which I showed you in my last video. Do watch it out. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please, I need your subscribe. I need a lot of subscribers. Do like, share and comment on my videos. Do let me know what you want to watch. So this is my glam versus natural makeup look. Let's get in the video and I hope you like it. Lots of love. Bye bye. Let's get in the video. So let's start quickly. I'll first moisturize my face. Skin prep is very important. तो फटाफट से एक अच्छा सा मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाइए. इट्स I'll decide now. This side, my right side is going to be all natural, like you know, like when you say no makeup look or natural makeup look, and right side is going to be and left side is going to be little bit of glam. एक स्ट्रोक क्रीम है, मैक स्ट्रोक क्रीम, जो काफ़ी अच्छी होती है. इसको आप थोड़ा सा लीजिए, like just this much you need. इसकी डिटेल्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में छोड़ दूँगी, आप प्लीज़ इसे देखिए. इसको आप अपने चीक बोन पे लगाना है, जहाँ पे आपको हाईलाइटेड लुक चाहिए. बिकॉज इसमें स्मॉल ग्लिटर पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, ऐसे विजिबल नहीं होते, बट यू अप्लाई यू फील द डिफरेंस. लिटिल ऑफ द नोज हियर and on the forehead like this. Now you rub it like you don't have to pat it like just on that area. Like you can spread it around, but the main emphasis should be there. If you want, you can mix it with the moisturizer also and give it like a all over look. Now after that I will use a primer. मेरा all time favorite ये color bar का primer है जो मैं use कर रही हूँ. It's a silicone based primer, so I know that some people are against silicone, but personally I feel this is the primer which actually helps me make my makeup last longer. So I have kind of melted it in my fingers and now I'll apply it the same way on my face, basically on your pores area, Okay, so I've done this. Now I'll go to my foundation. Okay, so for day to night foundation आपकी different हो सकती है, but personally there's one foundation which is affordable. Okay, there's high end range, there's amazing foundation in the market, but right now I feel like one foundation, because somebody who wants to try it, like it's also an experiment for them. Or if you don't want to buy, like don't want to go out and just buy an expensive, you can go for a MAC foundation. These are good foundations. Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation, and then there's Fendi foundation, there's Huda Beauty foundation. So there's enough range, but I'll talk about drugstore foundation. I will suggest you this Superstay 24 hours full coverage foundation from Maybelline. इसका मैंने एक अलग से रिव्यू वीडियो भी बनाया है, just to tell you that what's the effect. So this is one foundation which can be used from all natural to glam look. I personally feel that you can see the difference and let me know. So good thing is it's come with a pump, so you just have to take 2 pumps. Okay. Now applied this, rest of it you can apply on your neck. ये ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर है, इसकी यूज़ मैं आपको पहले भी वीडियोस में दिखा चुकी हूँ, और एक मैंने वीडियो बनाया था इन विच आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट what kind of brushes or blenders you can use to apply a foundation. So you can watch that video also if you want. I will leave the link in the description box. So अभी थोड़ा सा ये आपको वाइट लग रहा है, बट मोस्टली सारी जो फाउंडेशन होती है वो ऑक्सीडाइज होके थोड़ा इट काइंड ऑफ गेट टू योर स्किन कलर. सो एज यू कैन सी फाउंडेशन मैंने अप्लाई कर लिया है. अब मुझे अपने थोड़ा सा अंडर आई एरिया को कवर करना है. अगेन the basic stay is the same. You have to make sure that your foundation and your base makeup is flawless. Now the concealer I am using is this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. बहुत ही अमेजिंग कंसीलर है. द शेड इज़ मीडियम विच आई एम यूजिंग. And I have freckles, so I can apply a little bit here. That's it. Like you're on a daily basis, you don't need to put a lot of concealer. You only need to cover the places where you have problematic area, like your under eye circle area, maybe your pigmentation, like I have freckles on my cheeks, so I just do that. सो नाउ हमने जो इम्पॉर्टेंट बेस स्टेप है, लाइक हमने फाउंडेशन लगाया, उसके बाद हमने उसको प्रॉब्लम एरिया को कवर किया है. अब जो एक चीज़ है, अब मुझे इसको सेट करना है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू अप्लाई दिस लिक्विड फाउंडेशन और लिक्विड प्रोडक्ट, यू हैव टू सेट इट द पाउडर, अदरवाइज ये बहुत ही जल्दी रन आउट कर जाएगा, स्वेट हो जाएगा, क्रैक्स आ जाएंगे. आप एक लूज़ पाउडर ले सकते हैं. ये मेबलिन का ही लूज़ पाउडर है, फिट मी, यस, मेबलिन फिट मी लूज़ फिनिशिंग पाउडर. Again, very easy to apply, very good product. This shade medium, and then I tip it with a corner like this and I go like this. पहले मैं एक अंडर आई एरिया को उसको मैं बहुत ही लूजली, बिकॉज मेरी ड्राई स्किन टाइप है, सो आई डोंट वांट टू लुक टू मच पाउडरी. मुझे एक्चुअली थोड़ा ही पाउडरी इफेक्ट चाहिए, जस्ट टू सील द मेकअप. सो मैंने देख लीजिए, जस्ट आई हैव टेकन लिटिल बिट, आई डस्ट ऑफ द एक्सेस and I'll go smoothly like this. जहाँ आपको लगता है ज़्यादा लग गया, just take from there and okay, so I've done my powdering. Now the next step, which is again, which makes a lot of difference. So as I've told you, I want to keep all natural on the right side and I want to experiment a little bit on the left side. So अब मैं contouring आपको सिखाऊंगी. अब आपको face को एक shape देनी है, थोड़ी warmth लानी है, because we have just one color on our face. We want that shadows falling on our face. All natural look. ये एक Faces Canada का 3-in-1 palette है. For my all natural, like for the natural side, I'll just take a powder. I'll just pinch this brush. You can take any brush like this, pinch it from front and go make a fish face. Now can you see the difference when you don't apply it? I know I'm looking a little bit odd, but yeah, that's what I have a difference I want to show to you. You have to, there's one more technique easy to remember, is that you have to make a 3, like ulta 3 here. So you have to go like this and under your jawline like this. Okay, so you have kind of contoured your face on the right side. Now I'll show you on the left side. Okay, it could be done the same way, but हम अगर थोड़ी और इंटेंसिटी चाहते हैं, हम थोड़ा और बोल्ड होना चाहते हैं, हम चाहते हैं कलर और इंटेंस लगे हमारे फेस पे, क्योंकि ये जो ब्रॉन्ज कलर है धीरे 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 एब्जॉर्ब हो जाएगा, थोड़ा नेचुरल लगेगा. उसके लिए हम इस साइड में विल गो फॉर अ लिक्विड कॉन्टोर. सो लिक्विड कॉन्टोर के लिए मैं ये LA Girl Pro, शेड नेम इज़ एक्सप्रेसो. ये बहुत अमेजिंग कलर है इसका. सो अगेन यू मेक अ फिश फेस लाइक दिस. दिस विल मेक योर नोज लुक शार्पर. बेस्ट फ्रेंड आपके काम आएगा ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. आप अगेन एक्चुअली आई कैन डू अ लिटिल बिट मोर. You can go with the, I went with a very light hand, so I can take out a little more product and I can go. So now can you see the effect of this? Now can you see the effect of this contour? I know ये थोड़ा नीचे आ गया है, but we'll cover it with the concealer. Now that's the kind of warmth you want to add on to your face. जो ये extra contour हमें लग रहा है थोड़ा नीचे चला गया है, but you just take your foundation a little bit and put it here. That's a trick what a lot of makeup artists do. So don't think that you have done something wrong. You have done a little bit extra because these colors are dark, you know, it's difficult, can be difficult to play with. So now I think I have got the right kind of color I wanted on my cheeks. So as you can see, this little more deeper. मैं अपना nose contour को भी थोड़ा सा, okay. So now the basic stays the same. So now the basic stays the same. अगर मैंने क्रीम प्रोडक्ट लगाया है तो उसके ऊपर मुझे पाउडर प्रोडक्ट लगाना ही है. सो अगेन मैं सेम ब्राउन्जर लूँगी, ब्रश को पिंच करूँगी और आई गो. दिस आर 2-step प्रोसेस जस्ट फॉर द रीज़न बिकॉज हम इसको ज़्यादा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रखना चाहते हैं, ज़्यादा इफेक्ट आ रहे, ज़्यादा देर तक रहे, इसलिए हम ये अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ अदर थिंग इज़ कि अब मेरा ये नेचुरल लुक में मैं ज़्यादा कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करना चाहिए. आई वॉन्ट टू कीप इट नेचुरल. बट अगर मुझे इस थोड़ा और हाईलाइटेड लुक रखना है, ग्लैम लुक रखना है, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरा फेस थोड़ा और हाईलाइटेड लगे. तो उसके लिए मैं अपने अंडर आई एरिया और थोड़े पॉइंट्स है फेस पे जिसको हाईलाइट दिखाने के लिए मैं एक और लाइट कंसीलर की तरफ चाहूँ. दिस इज़ अ मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन. सो दिस इज मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन कंसीलर, कंसील एंड डिफाइन, एंड शेड इज C2. सो what I'll do is I'll start a little lower like this and like this. Can you see this is a lighter color? So I'm only doing it on one side. I'll do a little bit here because I want this place to be highlighted. So these are the points you normally, a lot of people, you know, makeup artists do that. Again, little bit here because I want my contour to be little highlighted. And here. आप चाहें इसको नेचुरल मेकअप में भी हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू द डिफरेंस. एंड देयर आर नो रूल्स टू द मेकअप. सो यू डू दिस एंड यू डू लाइक this again, round side. Okay, so now can you see the difference? Yeah, so I know I look like a clown right now, but that's it. I am on an experiment. That's the only time I'm using my lockdown time to the fullest. Okay, so again मैं ये प्रोडक्ट जो है इसको थोड़ा सेटल होने दूंगी. इसको सेट करने के लिए मैं अपना कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर या लूज पाउडर यूज़ कर सकती हूँ, चाहे शो यू अर्लियर. So this time I'll use this कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर जो मैंने कंसीलर लगाया है सिर्फ उसी एरियाज़ को बेक करने के लिए. So little bit of patting here wherever you have applied your product. Okay, so now it's done. इसके बाद मैं अपनी आइज़ के लिए जाऊँगी. अब मैं इस तरह थोड़ा नेचुरल मेकअप करूँगी. सो मैं अपना एक बिल्कुल नया पैलेट यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इट्स अ मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन लंडन पैलेट. आई गॉट इट एज अ गिफ्ट. आई हैवंट यूज्ड इट. सो लेट्स ट्राई. सो एक फ्लफ़ी ब्रश से अगर मैं नेचुरल लुक लेना चाहूँगी तो मैं चाहूँगी कि मेरा जो आइज़ हैं थोड़ी डीप लगे. तो उसके लिए मैं एक ब्राउन शेड यूज़ कर लूँगी. इसका नेम भी, आई डोंट नो वेदर इट्स अवेलेबल इन इंडिया. Okay, so it's Up All Night. The shade number is Up All Night, or you can take anything deep like this brown and you fill it the crease area like this. है जो थोड़ा सा मेरे लिड की तरफ भी आ गया है, बट आई डोंट माइंड. आई वांट दैट little bit of intensity on my lid and I don't want to create too much colors. I don't want to use too many colors. I'll use this light color, Fizz. Okay, so for this I'll just take the center part and I'll do it like this. This color pigmentation is good. Okay, so now I have done that part. If you want आप इसको थोड़ा सा smoke out कर सकते हैं with the same brush. और ये सेम कलर जो मैंने सेकंड कलर लगाया था, इससे आई कैन पुट इट अंडर माई लोअर लैश लाइन. आप चाहें तो आई पेंसिल भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बट आई यूज़ द सेम कलर. सो बेसिकली मैंने एक नाइस ब्राउन शेडेड लुक दी है अपनी आइज़ को for my daily, you know, I'm just stepping out to meet somebody or I have a meeting to attend, so I just add a little bit of, you know, that brown shade to my eyes and I just let it be, and that will, you know, my lipstick will do the rest of the job. So this is kind of done. Now I'll start with my other eye. Brush for my crease area. So for that I'll start with this color, the lighter shade on the outer part. Try not to go on the lid. और मैं जो कॉर्नर है उसमें भी थोड़ी डीपनेस लाऊंगी. So again I can take that angular brush and I'll go with this this black color, and I'll make like a V. You can even keep a card or you can put a tape to get that V right. Now can you see the two colors nicely put together? You can take the same color very nicely, you can take it up like this. Perfect. And now for this part I'll use a glitter. So for glitter के लिए या तो आप अपने ब्रश को वेट कर सकते हैं, उससे भी इजी तरीका है, फर्स्ट यूज़ योर फिंगर. तो अगर मुझे एक हाईलाइटर लुक चाहिए जैसे मैंने डिसाइड किया है, तो आई विल यूज़ दिस. ओके, आई विल यूज़ दिस गोल्डन कलर from my finger and I'll go tap. Fingers are best to put your pressed powders or your pressed eyeshadow colors. So again, इसके lower lash line, I can take the small brush. I can take the same brush और जो मैंने crease में color लगाया था, this fizz color, and I'll put it in my lower lash line like this. Again, I want to create a deep color. So मेरी अपनी eyes का eyeshadow look काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. I like that effect. Now it comes to your काजल product. So इस काजल को मैंने लगाना है. So I want a wing liner. Okay, now I'll tell you how do you go from subtle to bold. So for this side I'll try to put a wing eyeliner like this. And for this side, now this is a trick. इसमें थोड़ा you just have to put a small line very randomly. Just put this. Okay, this is a Faces Canada gel kajal in like a stick form. And if you want, you can also put a kajal in your waterline if you like putting kajal. If you like putting kajal in your waterline, you can put kajal in your waterline. After that, so basic, you have to put a mascara, which could be same for both the eyes, which could be different. You can go for a nice eyelashes on the glam side. But right now, I'm just doing a good mascara. I'm applying this Maybelline Temptation mascara, which is amazing. Again, affordable, good quality. So that is done. Now I'll go to a little bit of blush on for both the sides. Take a big fluffy brush for my blush on. For blush on your glam side, you can go for something like a Milani baked blushers like this. Swirl it, and this has a little bit of that shine going on. The smile. Do like this. This is a peach color. The shade is Luminoso like this. And for the more natural side, you can go for something like this. It is from Maybelline. This color is blush. This is a nice peachy pink. Okay, so you can come like this also. Now comes the little bit of highlighter. Highlighter is up to you. Do you want to apply for a day event or a simple makeup look you want to apply? You can apply. There is again no right or wrong on this. Otherwise, on a more on a glam side, you have to apply it because it does add a lot of fun element and glam to your look. A little bit on your nose, on your cupid's bow. Okay, on your forehead, a little bit here. Okay, I'll show you. This is the more of a glam look, so I'll put maybe a little bit here. Now this is also done. My face is almost done. Now we come to the lips. Now how I play along with my lip, that's a big challenge. First of all, apply a good lip balm. That's going to be common for both the sides. apply a good lip balm is important. Now I will line my lips. Okay, so for more on a glam side, I'm gonna go for this brown lip liner from Nykaa because I want to go a little bit of, because I've done a little bit glitter makeup, so I want to go for the brown lipstick. You can go with the red also, up to you. Okay, and for the other side, so I'm using this Wet n Wild lip liner, little peachy lip liner. So it's the final thing now. The whole look will get completed after that. So let's do it. Okay, so I'll apply this Faces Canada Glam On Collection Poppy Love on my glam side. This is my favorite lipstick. I don't know. It's very reasonable, but I just love wearing it. Just look at that. Okay, and for the other side, because I've done a very natural makeup, you can go for a natural lipstick also, but right now I want to create a contrast, and I like wearing a little brighter lipstick during day. If your rest of the makeup is simple, I love to do a little bit of dark lipstick also. So I've done a brown. I'll do a little bit of bright. So can you see now? So can you see something? I have actually taught you two tutorials in one video on saving on time. I also wanted to tell you that it's so simple to go from a day makeup look to a glam night look very easily with just a little bit of change in lipstick colors or a little bit of highlighting of your eyeshadows or highlight, little elongated eyeliner, a little bit of more. I know there are 3-4 things I've spoken about, but once you start doing it, you will realize. Okay, so this is the look I've created. So I hope you like what I created. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. As I told you earlier, also do watch my other videos. I'm gonna link a few more videos in the description box. You can watch that, and do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Just be safe, okay? Stay home. Take care. Bye bye.